Can't agree on a coffee maker? Now you can have the best of both worlds with the Coffee Center Grind and Brew Plus 12-cup auto-drip and single-serve coffee maker from Cuisinart. This versatile 2-in-1 coffee center has a built-in blade grinding system that automatically grinds whole beans and immediately brews the freshest, most flavorful coffee. The Coffee Center Grind and Brew Plus features a 64-ounce water reservoir with water level indicator window, bold brew strength feature, auto on and off, brew pause, self-clean feature, ready alert tone, and 24-hour automatic programmability. Equipped with an easy pour, no drip 12-cup glass carafe, permanent gold tone filter, measuring scoop with cleaning brush, and charcoal water filters, one for each coffee maker. The single-serve brewer with 40-ounce water reservoir can use any variety coffee pot with 3 cup sizes and instant heat up. Brew a single cup of coffee in 8, 10, or 12-ounce sizes. Use the shelf to reduce splashing as you brew, and when you remove the drip tray, you can take your coffee to go using a travel mug. Have the best of both worlds at home with the Cuisinart 2-in-1 Coffee Center Grind and Brew coffee maker.
The Baratza Encore, the go-to home coffee grinder for both new coffee fans and longtime aficionados alike. A simple on-off switch runs the grinder continuously. Use the pulse button to top off your grind. No fuss, just fresh coffee. The Encore has 40 separate grind settings for precise control of grind size. Just turn the hopper to select the perfect grind for your brew. Baratza grinders are built with quality parts and are fully user-serviceable. Enjoy world-class warranty and technical support from the Baratza team. Baratza, we grind, you brew.